Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would like you to stay. In this video, I would like to share with you one of my appetizers. I have entire menu ready, and I'm preparing whatever I can to freeze to make it easier for the last couple days. And the reason is my family is coming over. Plus, I have a visitor from UK, so of course I'll be busy. So I started. I made already gravlax. It's in the fridge. If you'd like me to share with you, I videotape. And but this recipe, I made quite a few things. Cakes are done, cookies are baked, everything in the freezer. And but this one, it's called Spanakopita. It's a Greek kind of recipe, and I'm sure you heard it's a spinach pie, but there are variations. Where I grew up, we didn't have phyllo pastry at that time, and everything was made homemade. And our kind of recipe didn't include spinach. It was just feta cheese, eggs, and sour cream, and of course, pastry. However, I find that if you do that, it's a bit salty. So now, being like on my own and away from home, I developed my own kind of recipe, kind of combined Greek recipe and our recipe. So you'll see in the video how I'm doing this pastry. I like this, and I quite often have in the freezer because sometimes you have unexpected visitor or guest or a neighbor. So I defrost and I put in microwave for a couple minutes, and it can be served as an appetizer. And so basically, this one, what I did, I have spinach, I have eggs, and I have sour cream. It looks more like lasagna, to be honest, but I like it because it's, oh, especially when it's warm, it's really nice and tasty. Where Greek version, the pastry, especially on the top, is a bit flaky. But yeah, if you're kind of interested in this recipe, I'm going to include. Give it a try. It's not that expensive to make, and it's very convenient to have in the freezer. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.